All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Chevy Malibu. It is the LT model, this beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice. Only 70,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Get my thread measure. I don't see any curbing on this one. Let's check out your tire thread. Which is just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter does have a little dent here. Some paint off about 3 to 4 inches right there. You'll be seeing, yeah, there you go. Right there, 3 to 4 inches. That's about it. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread, over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. And you got your backup camera. Boom. Perfect. Yes, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See, no lights on except for tire pressure and airbag. And there's your mileage of 17,475. Looks good. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Actually, it's a button back there. 2 key fob combos, owner's manuals. Is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper does have a crack in here. About 3 to 4 inches right there. You can see it right there. The rest of it looks pretty darn good. Your hood looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good as well. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I say 10 or more to engulf it all. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Chevy Malibu LT model with 17,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.